awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel, and Esmeralda here, and today we're off for another video. And in this video I am going to show you a new DIY project. So if you're interested and if you're new here in my channel, make sure first to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to keep you updated. And if you're ready, let's go now into the video. That's all for my video today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have suggestions, make sure to comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, lovies!